Good morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. So grains are lower overnight. Yesterday was a pretty crazy day in the marketplace. Markets were pretty quiet. Mostly grains were a little bit lower on concern about export demand. And then we saw just markets rally sharply after news that missiles had hit a Poland city. The initial reaction was it might have been Russia. The G20 is meeting right now, and people were waiting for some type of response of maybe Russia attacking a NATO country. Later on, and overnight, it seemed like there was talk that this was actually part of the Ukraine defense system and trying to shoot down Russian missiles that accidentally landed in Poland. Yesterday, though, there was quite a bit of Russian missiles attacking Ukraine infrastructure, especially electricity, and the G20 did condemn that increase in attacks. For a short time yesterday, there was concern that maybe UN, NATO would not allow Russia to extend the Ukraine export corridor, or that Russia might not extend the corridor. Right before the attack, it was pretty much a given that the corridor might be extended and maybe as much as 12 months. So we're just waiting for word on that. Plus, the one Russian bank that Russia's asking for reduction or elimination of sanctions so they can export more grain and fertilizer. So the market's giving back, trying to give back most of yesterday's gains in corn, beans, and wheat. And so we're back to looking at mostly favorable South American weather, a reduced export numbers, both corn, beans, and wheat, and the fact that in corn, South America and Ukraine prices are lower than U.S., and that in beans, South American meal and oil is lower than the U.S. In fact, South American soybean oil plus freight could actually come into the United States at a profit. So we'll have to kind of watch that. There is La Nina-ish type weather in South America right now, and so we have to kind of watch scattered showers, and if we see mostly evapotranspiration in southern Brazil and also in South and Eastern Argentina until La Nina goes away. U.S. weather, it looks very changing. Right now it's cold and dry across the Midwest. Parts of the Midwest dryness is shrinking a little bit. But at the end of November, we could see an increase in temperatures here in the U.S. And then December temperatures cool back down. So we're still concerned about the U.S. 2023 HRW crop. So today we get ethanol information, tomorrow export sales, and then we'll see how the money flows going as we get closer to the end of November. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.